For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, their eyes filled with wonder and curiosity. We have wondered if we are alone in the universe, pondering the mysteries of the cosmos. We have dreamed of traveling to distant worlds, imagining the possibilities that lie beyond our reach. Could we one day live off Earth, establishing colonies on the Moon or Mars? The answer might be closer than we think, as scientists and engineers work tirelessly to turn these dreams into reality. Space exploration is no longer science fiction. It is a reality, with missions that have already taken us to the Moon and beyond. We have sent probes to other planets, gathering invaluable data and expanding our understanding of the universe. We have astronauts living and working in space, conducting experiments that push the boundaries of human knowledge. The International Space Station is a testament to our growing capabilities, a symbol of international cooperation and scientific progress. The question is not if we can live off Earth, but when and where. Will it be on the Moon, Mars, or even further? Our future might lie beyond the confines of our blue planet, in the vast expanse of space that beckons us to explore. It's a future worth exploring, filled with endless possibilities and the promise of new discoveries. The journey to the stars is just beginning, and who knows what wonders await us in the cosmos. Our journey to the stars depends on technology. We need powerful rockets to escape Earth's gravity. We need advanced life support systems for long-duration space travel. Fortunately, we are making incredible progress. Reusable rockets are making space travel more affordable. 3D printing is revolutionizing spacecraft construction. Scientists are developing new ways to grow food and generate energy in space. These advancements are paving the way for ambitious missions. We are going back to the Moon. We are planning a crewed mission to Mars. The future of space exploration is bright. Mars has captured our imagination for decades. It is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has a thin atmosphere, polar ice caps, and evidence of past water. Scientists believe that Mars could have once supported life. Today, it holds the potential for human settlement. We could build habitats, grow food, and establish a permanent presence on the red planet. Mars is a challenging environment, but it is also full of resources. It could become a stepping stone for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. Living on another planet is not easy. We need to overcome numerous challenges. The Martian atmosphere is thin and unbreathable. The temperatures are extreme. Radiation from the sun is a constant threat. We need to develop technologies to protect ourselves from these hazards. We need to find sustainable ways to produce food, water, and energy. We need to address the psychological effects of long-duration space travel. These challenges are significant, but they are not insurmountable. Human ingenuity and determination have a history of overcoming obstacles. Section 5. Beyond the Red Planet, Exploring Other Celestial Homes. While Mars is a prime candidate for colonization, it is not our only option. Our solar system is filled with other potentially habitable worlds. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, has a subsurface ocean that could harbor life. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has a dense atmosphere and methane lakes. Even Venus, with its scorching temperatures, might be suitable for floating habitats in its upper atmosphere. As we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we might discover even more promising locations for human settlement. Section 6. Life Beyond Earth. Impact on Humanity and Civilization. Living off Earth would have a profound impact on humanity. It would not only change our physical surroundings, but also transform our social structures, economies, and even our daily lives. It would force us to rethink our place in the universe. No longer confined to one planet, we would have to consider our role as a multi-planetary species. It would drive technological innovation and scientific discovery. The challenges of living in space would push us to develop new technologies, from advanced life support systems to sustainable energy solutions. It would also raise new ethical and philosophical questions. The idea of colonizing other planets brings up issues of ownership, responsibility, and the potential impact on any existing ecosystems. Who has the right to colonize other planets? This question becomes even more complex when considering the involvement of private companies and international collaborations. How do we ensure the preservation of extraterrestrial life? Protecting potential alien ecosystems from contamination by Earth-based organisms is a critical concern. What kind of society will we create beyond Earth? Will we replicate the social structures of Earth, or will we develop new ways of living and governing ourselves? These are questions that we need to start addressing now as we embark on this journey into the unknown. The decisions we make today will shape the future of humanity and our place in the cosmos. Section 7. Space colonization. A distant dream or an inevitable future? Is space colonization a distant dream or an inevitable future? The answer is unclear. The challenges are immense, but so are the potential rewards. Some argue that we should focus on solving problems here on Earth before venturing into space. Others believe that becoming a multiplanetary species is essential for our long-term survival. Ultimately, the future of space colonization depends on our collective will and investment. It is a choice that we will have to make as a species. Section 8. Keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders. Whether or not we colonize other planets, one thing is certain. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Every star, every planet, every galaxy holds secrets that can change our understanding of existence. From distant galaxies to the mysteries of dark matter, the universe is a vast expanse of the unknown. Each discovery we make opens up new questions and new possibilities. There is still so much we don't know. Scientists and astronomers are constantly uncovering new phenomena that challenge our current knowledge. Space exploration is a journey of discovery. It is a quest that drives humanity to explore the farthest reaches of space, to seek out new worlds, and to understand the very fabric of the cosmos. It is about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. Every mission, every experiment, every observation brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. It is about inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. By fostering curiosity and a sense of wonder, we encourage young minds to dream big and to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So keep looking up at the night sky and never stop wondering what's out there. The universe is a vast, beautiful, and mysterious place, and it is up to us to explore it, to learn from it, and to be inspired by its endless wonders. Section 9. Join the journey. Explore the cosmos with us. Are you fascinated by the possibility of life beyond Earth? Do you want to stay up to date on the latest discoveries in space exploration? Subscribe to our channel for more content on the wonders of the cosmos. Join us as we explore the universe and delve into the mysteries of the great unknown. Together, let's embark on a journey of discovery and imagination.